parked the tractor right here. Now it's gone.
Is that your goat?
Yeah, that's Nellie.
She's in heat, huh?
Yeah. That's why I got her separated from the other animals. They can't resist her.
Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense.
Mange, shut up. Now, these tracks are still fresh, aren't they?
They are.
Do me a favor and walk me through the whereabouts of all your farmhands at the time of the crime.
I'm gonna check out something over here.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel
How's it going?
like I feel, baby,
My name's Marvin. You got it going on.
get it on. Let's get it on. Let's love.
Have you noticed anything abnormal in the area of late?
Sugar. Let's get it on.
Ah! All right, Marvin. Control, Marvin. Control.
So much to give. Understand each other.
Sweetie, yes, you make me laugh.
I love you. There's nothing wrong with me loving you. Baby, no.
So soft.
And giving yourself to me.
Finance men do this.